Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we explore the wonders of the cosmos together. Today, they're talking about some very special guests. Our solar system is a busy place with planets, asteroids, and comets zipping around. But occasionally, we get visitors from much farther away from the vast expanse between the stars. And right now, it seems like we're in the middle of a cosmic party because not one, not two, but 7 interstellar objects have been identified as having paid us a visit. And one of them, a comet named 3I ATLAS, seems to have brought its friends along for the ride. Let's rewind a bit. For a long time, the idea of interstellar visitors was pure theory. We knew they had to exist, but we'd never seen one. Then, in 2017, everything changed with the discovery of Oumuamua. This bizarre, cigar-shaped object baffled scientists. It didn't look like any comet or asteroid we'd ever seen. It was the first confirmed visitor from another star system, and it opened the floodgates. Just 2 years later, a second interstellar object, Comet 2I Borisov, was spotted. This one looked more like a regular comet, but its trajectory proved it came from deep space. Oumuamua and Borisov were like the first scouts from a distant land, proving that the journey between stars was possible. But now, the story gets even more exciting. A team of astronomers, led by the brilliant minds at the Interstellar Initiative, decided to dig deeper. They thought, if to have come by recently, could there have been more that we missed? They went back through decades of astronomical data, searching for clues. It was like being a cosmic detective, looking for faint trails left by objects that passed by long ago. And what they found is truly mind-blowing. They identified 5 more comets that weren't from around here. These weren't new discoveries in the sky. They were hiding in plain sight in old observations. Their names might sound a bit technical, like C, 1997 B4, and C, 2008 J4. Each one tells a story of an incredible journey across interstellar space. So, how do scientists know these objects are from another star system? It all comes down to speed and trajectory. Imagine throwing a ball up in the air. Gravity will eventually pull it back down. The same principle applies in the solar system. Objects that belong to our sun are gravitationally bound to it, orbit in ellipses, like planets, or long, stretched-out paths, like comets from the Oort cloud. But to escape the sun's gravity completely, an object needs to be moving incredibly fast. This escape velocity is the key. 7 objects we're talking about were all clocked moving faster than this cosmic speed limit. Their paths were hyperbolic, meaning they flew and looped once around the sun, and are now heading back out into the void, never to return. They are true what-time visitors. Now, let's talk about the headliner of this interstellar group, 3I Atlas, discovered in 2023. What makes this comet so special, besides being the 3rd officially designated interstellar object? Well, it seems it didn't travel alone. As it got closer to the sun, the heat caused it to fracture and break apart. This is common for comets. The fragments of Atlas told an interesting story. Scientists were able to trace the paths of these fragments and calculate their original trajectory with incredible precision. And this is where the friends come in. When astronomers traced Atlas's path back in time, realized it lined up almost perfectly with the path of one of the interstellar comets, C 1997 B4, which visited us over 25 years ago. This is a stunning revelation. The odds of 2 unrelated interstellar objects arriving from the same direction at different times are astronomically small. It's like 2 ships launched from an unknown port thousands of miles away. arriving at the exact same dark decades apart. The most logical explanation is that they are related, were likely once part of a larger parent body in their home star system. Maybe a planet simul or a giant comet got too close to its star or a large planet and was shattered and flung out into interstellar space. The pieces then traveled together for millions, maybe billions, of years across the galaxy, like a tiny, fragmented family. Then, by sheer chance, a shared path brought them through our little corner of the universe. So, we have 3I, Atlas, and its sibling, C1997b4. What about the other 5? Are they part of the same family? The current evidence suggests probably not. Their trajectories, while all hyperbolic, don't seem to originate from the same point in the sky. It looks like our solar system is being visited by multiple, unrelated groups of interstellar wanderers. This is even more exciting. It means our galaxy is likely teeming with these objects. They are the cosmic seeds, ejected from countless forming or mature planetary systems all across the Milky Way. Each one is a time capsule from a distant star, carrying clues about the chemistry and conditions of its birthplace. Think about what this means. By studying these visitors, we can learn about planetary systems without ever having to travel there. Analyzing the light reflected off them, their composition, can tell us if their home system is rich in water, carbon, or other elements essential for life. It's like receiving a postcard from an alien world. For a long time, we only had one data point for how solar systems form, our own. Now, with these visitors, we're starting to get samples from all over the neighborhood. It helps us understand if our solar system is typical or unique, and it expands our understanding of how planets and potentially life can arise across the cosmos. The discovery of these 7 interstellar objects marks a new era in astronomy. We're moving from passively waiting for these objects to show up to actively hunting for them in archival data, and with new, more powerful telescopes like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory coming online soon. The rate of discovery is expected to skyrocket. Scientists predict we could be finding multiple interstellar objects every single year. We'll be able to study them in unprecedented detail, perhaps even sending a probe to intercept one, like the European Space Agency's planned Comet Interceptor mission. Imagine getting an up-close look at a piece of another solar system. The possibilities are just beginning to unfold. This galactic highway of objects flowing between stars has profound implications. It suggests that the building blocks of planets, and perhaps life, are not confined to their home systems. They can be shared across the galaxy. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? That the universe is interconnected in this tangible way. Every star system is part of a grand cosmic exchange. These 7 visitors are just the first confirmed travelers we've met, the vanguard of what is likely an endless stream of cosmic messengers. They remind us that our solar system isn't an island, a stop along an ancient, interstellar road. What a truly incredible time to be looking up at the stars. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. What do you think about these interstellar visitors? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest discoveries from our universe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us continue to make content like this for you. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and never stop wondering.